So you might be in a situation where your Samsung screen is still a little blurry. So what does this mean? So this basically means that your screen on your Samsung phone is basically a little blurry. You're having some random glitches on it, some random issues. And this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing that you might want to do is try cleaning your screen. If you're having a random issue like that, you might just have to, clean out your screen. Sometimes that can be the problem, and that's kind of the easiest thing you can do to kind of fix this. Now, another thing you can do here too is to try adjusting your resolution on your screen. So try going into your Samsung phone settings, just like this. You then want to go into your display settings, so scroll over until you find that display option. There should be an option that says display. Tap on it, and then you want to go and find your screen resolution. So go ahead, find your screen mode, screen resolution right here, and you can change this up to a different type of option if you want to. You can also go through wherever that screen resolution option is, you should be able to go through and adjust it that way. So it might be different on your Android phone, but try finding it, and that's another really important thing I'd recommend kind of doing. Now, if that's not working, another thing you can try doing is to try restarting your Samsung phone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart it, and go ahead and click on that restart button, and go and see if that's going to allow you to restart your particular device. You can also try going through and try, basically updating your phone. So go inside of your settings, go inside of the software update panel, and try updating your phone, and that's another thing I'd recommend doing too. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.